Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings. Afterwards you need to scroll down and here let's find and select the system apps, the installed apps right here. From the installed apps, let's choose more and choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notification, default application for actions, background data restrictions, any permission restrictions. But what's really important, you will not lose any app data. So let's choose reset apps to confirm the operation, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.